Welcome to the 10-Day English Listening Challenge. This challenge is designed to take your English listening skills from beginner to advanced, one step at a time. Over the next 10 days, you will learn greetings and introductions, family and friends, shopping, restaurants, travel, health and the doctor, work and office conversations, daily routines, phone conversations, and real-life English situations. Every lesson is simple, practical, and easy to follow. Complete all 10 days, and you will build the confidence to understand and use English in everyday life. Subscribe to Universal English Lab, and let's start this 10-day English listening challenge together.
Have you ever felt your heart beat fast when someone says, "Hello, how are you?" and you don't know what to say back? Maybe you are in a new place. Maybe you meet a new neighbor. Maybe someone at the shop smiles at you and says something in English. And you just freeze, you smile, you nod. But inside, you feel nervous. You think, what do I say now? I understand this feeling. Many adults feel this way. You are not alone. And today, I am here to help you. Today, we are not going to study hard grammar. We are not going to memorize long lists. Today, we are going to do something simple, something warm, something real. Today, we are going to learn how to say hello, how to introduce yourself, how to talk to a new person calmly and confidently. By the end of this lesson, when someone says, "Hi, how are you?" you will know exactly what to say and you will feel proud. So welcome, my friend. Welcome to day one. My name is your English teacher today, and I am very happy you are here. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. You don't need a pen. You don't need a notebook. Just listen. Listen to my voice and repeat after me when I ask you. This is not a classroom. This is just you and me talking together like friends. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's topic is greetings and introductions. This means how to say hello and how to tell someone your name. Let's start with the most important word. The word is hello. Hello. Say it with me. Hello. Very good. We also say hi. Hi is short. Hi is friendly. We use hi with friends, neighbors, or people we know a little. Hello, hi. Now let's learn a very important question. The question is, how are you? How are you? This question means, are you okay? Are you well? When someone asks you, how are you? You can answer like this. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Say it with me. I'm fine, thank you. Very nice. You can also say, I'm good, or I'm okay. All of these answers are correct. Simple, short, easy. Now let's imagine a real situation. Imagine this. You walk into a small shop near your home. The shop worker looks at you and smiles. She says, "Hello, how are you today?" What do you say? You can say, "Hello, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?" Do you hear that? We ask the question back. This is polite. This is natural. In English, when someone asks, "How are you?" we usually answer, and then we ask the same question back. Let's practice this together. I will say the shop worker's words. Then you say your answer out loud right now. Ready? Hello, how are you today? Now you say, "Hello, I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?" Wonderful. You are doing great. Now, let's learn how to say our name. This is very important. When you meet someone new, they may ask, "What's your name?" What's your name? You answer like this. My name is. And then you say your name. For example, I can say my name is Sarah, or my name is John. Try this now. Say out loud, my name is, and say your own name. Good job. You just introduced yourself in English. Now let's add one more useful phrase. After someone tells you their name, you can say, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. This is a warm, friendly phrase. We use it when we meet someone for the first time. Let's put it all together now. Imagine you meet a new neighbor outside your home. She says, "Hello, what's your name?" You say, "Hello, my name is..." Your name. What's your name? She says, "My name is Anna." You say, "Nice to meet you, Anna." Beautiful. Now you know how to greet someone and introduce yourself completely. Let's slow down and repeat these key phrases one more time because repetition helps our brain remember. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is... Nice to meet you. Say these 6 phrases with me one more time, slowly. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is... Nice to meet you. Excellent work. You are learning very well today. Now let's think about different times of day. In English, we don't always say hello. Sometimes we say different greetings depending on the time. In the morning, we say good morning, good morning. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon, good afternoon. In the evening, we say good evening, good evening. Let's imagine you're at a bus stop in the morning. An old friend sees you. She says, good morning, how are you? You say, good morning, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Simple, right? The words change a little, but the pattern stays the same. Let's try another real-life example. This time, imagine you are at a restaurant. The waiter comes to your table. He smiles and says, good evening, how are you today? You answer, good evening, I'm good, thank you. How are you? See? Same pattern, different place. This is how English works. Once you learn the pattern, you can use it everywhere. At home, at the shop, at work, on the bus, at the doctor's office, everywhere. Let's do one more example at the doctor's office. The doctor walks in and says, hello, how are you feeling today? You can answer, hello, doctor, I'm okay, thank you. Very good. You are learning real, useful English, not just words from a book. Real words for real life. Now let's practice speaking a little more. I want you to imagine you are meeting someone new today, maybe at the market, maybe at a family event, maybe a new neighbor. Practice saying this short conversation alone out loud right now. Hello, my name is... Say your name. Nice to meet you. Say it now with confidence. Wonderful. You just practiced real English speaking. Let's continue. I want to teach you one more useful expression. When you want to say goodbye politely, you can say a goodbye. Or more friendly, bye, see you later. Bye, see you later. This is what you say when you finish talking to someone. Let's imagine again. You are at your neighbor's house. You finish talking. You want to leave. You say, it was nice to meet you. Goodbye. Or simply, bye, see you later. Both are correct. Both are natural. Now let's review everything we learned today in one simple story. Listen carefully. Imagine this. It's morning. You walk outside your home. You see a new neighbor. She smiles at you. She says, good morning. How are you? You say, good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? She says, I'm good, thank you. What's your name? You say, my name is... Your name. What's your name? She says, my name is Linda. You say, nice to meet you, Linda. She says, nice to meet you too. Have a good day. You say, thank you. Bye. See you later. Did you understand the whole story? If yes, wonderful. You understood a real English conversation from beginning to end. Let's listen to it one more time, a little slower, and try to repeat each line after me. Good morning. How are you? Now you say it. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Now you say it. What's your name? Now you say it. My name is... Now you say it with your own name. Nice to meet you. Now you say it. Bye. See you later. Now you say it. Excellent. You just completed full speaking practice. I am proud of you. Now let's do something fun. Let's do a simple listening quiz. Don't worry, this is easy and relaxing. Just listen to my question. Think of the answer in your mind, and then I will tell you the correct answer. Question number 1. If someone says, how are you? What can you say? Think about it for a moment. The answer is, I'm fine, thank you. Or I'm good. Or I'm okay. All of these are correct. Question number 2. If someone says, what's your name? How do you answer? Think about it. The answer is, my name is... And then you say your name. Question number 3. What do you say in the morning instead of hello? Think about it. The answer is good morning. Question number 4. What do you say when you meet someone for the first time? Think about it. The answer is nice to meet you.